Hi everybody, this is a quick video to reinforce how you can contact and liaise with colleagues in your Action Learning set from within your Canvas account. Very easy to do, very convenient because everything's in one place. So I'm going to take you through the steps of that. I personally find it much better to have somebody demonstrate these things to me than to read manuals and help screens and so on. So hopefully this will be helpful for you too. So you can access your Action Learning Set homepage or group homepage by the clicking on the Groups menu item within the pink left hand menu. So I'm just hovering over that at the moment on the left hand side of the screen, Groups. This pink menu is always visible even if you are in your CPD program Canvas course and you're looking at stuff within that. You'll still be able to at any point go across to the pink menu and click on Groups. So I'm going to do that now, and what you'll see is I've set up a group called Test Group, and that's just to demonstrate that. There's nobody else in it at the moment other than me. So I'm going to click on that, and now this takes me to the home page for the group called Test Group. And you'll notice, first of all, that it looks very similar to the homepage, the main homepage for the CPD program Canvas. The main difference is that you've got far less items in the black on white menu, which is on the left but to the right of the pink menu. And you'll see that at the moment we're on the home page of that, which is why the home page is highlighted in purple. So what's this all about? Okay, well, if you were to come down to People and click on that, I've only got myself in there, so that's all it says. Oh, it looks like we've got Poonam in there. I didn't realise. Must have done that too, just to demonstrate this. I've forgotten about it. But anyway, you'll see that at the moment this group therefore comprises myself and Poonam. Yours will obviously include or the other 4 or 5 members of your Action Learning set. So just in case you can't quite remember everybody that was in your Action Learning set, that's where you'll find them. Now, let's suppose we want to make an announcement, and only to our Action Learning set group. It may be to say, okay, can we arrange to meet up virtually to have an Action Learning Set meeting? Then anybody could make an announcement, and it would only be broadcast to your colleagues within that Action Learning Set grouping, not to the rest of the advanced practitioners in your cohort or indeed on the whole CPD program. You can create your own pages of information in your Action Learning Set homepage. You can start discussions with them, and discussions are sort of like live, a bit like MSN type communication. So obviously everybody would need to be online for that in order to have a meaningful discussion. But you can also set up a conference, and this is important if you want to have your Action Learning Set arranged and contained all within Canvas. You can do that using the conferencing facility. By clicking on that, one of your Action Learning Set group could very quickly set up a video conference, which you can then access at a predetermined date and time. And that will allow you to talk face to face and to basically have a fairly immersive Action Learning Set meeting. Obviously not quite as in your face, if you like, as if you were doing it real rather than virtually, but pretty good nevertheless. Collaborations, if you have a Google Drive account, which are free and quite easy to set up, you could, as a group within your Action Learning Set, create collaborative documents if you felt the need to do so. And it will take you straight to Google Drive, and you would have a document there, or creating a survey form or a spreadsheet or whatever, all done within the confines, if you like, of your Action Learning Set group. You can share files, simply upload files that you want to share, and then everybody within that group can see them. So that's basically about it. Pretty easy. You just go to groups on the pink menu, select the group, which will be your action learning set. It will say ALS for action learning set and a number, which is the particular action learning set that you've been assigned to. Click on that and you are in that sort of protected space for the action learning set, or in which all your action learning set colleagues can collaborate. So hopefully that's useful. I'm going to post some other short videos on other aspects of Canvas which hopefully will be helpful. Do get back to me via email using the inbox facility on the pink menu if you need any more help, or if you have any questions at all. Don't worry about contacting me, and I'll respond as soon as I can. Okay, thank you. Good luck with it.